to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I'm showing you natural hairstyle number 19. Okay, so what I've basically done to my hair was I simply brushed it back to a bun and I pinned it down. I added a little braid style on the side, and I've done a twist out on this side. So I basically just did a one strand twist all the way down, left it in for a couple of hours, and then I took it down and basically just took it down, and here's this beautiful twist out, okay? So the process of doing this hairstyle can be very simple, but you have to make sure that your hair is detangled before you do this style, okay? There's no shortcuts to doing this style. This hairstyle is actually a very simple style, but it will take some time if you have to detangle your hair first, okay? What I have applied to my hair was simply water, my Rosemary Delight hair growth butter, in which you can order online at mynaturalhairdelight.com. And I've also applied my flaxseed gel, which I will soon have it available online as well, okay? So those were the main ingredients that I have used on my hair, and it is all natural, and it will help your hair to grow. And this particular hair growth butter, you can apply it to your scalp, your hair, and your skin, okay? So it's an all-in-one package. But basically, I just wanted to encourage you all to rock your natural hair with all natural ingredients. And in this video, I'm doing natural hairstyle number 19, and which is part of the 24 natural hairstyle series, okay? So I'm almost done with the 24 natural hairstyle series. If you have not checked that series out, please go to the playlist and click on all of the videos that inspires you to rock your natural hair, all of the videos that you can see yourself rocking that particular hairstyle. Go ahead and check it out, click the video, and watch how you can rock that particular hairstyle on your hair, okay? There's 24 plus natural hairstyles, but I wanted to just stick to the 24 natural hairstyle series, and hopefully this inspires you all to rock your natural hair, okay? So thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. Hit that notification bell. I will be posting every Wednesday, okay? So Wednesday is the day that I can faithfully commit to posting videos every week. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.